kita akan memasukkan perenjak ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sahabat OBSJ14 channel. Di sela-sela kesibukan kami, kita akan memasukkan perenjak ya. Perenjak itu ada dua, ada perenjak atas, ada perenjak bawah. Ini jenisnya perenjak bawah, kayaknya betina sih, bunyinya betina semua. Jadi kita masukin dan ntar akan datang lagi 3, cuman masih dalam perawatan. Kita datengin dari teman kita dari Solo. Kita kasih makan dulu. Takut sama HP ya? Padahal kalau nggak ada HP.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go.
Sahabat sekalian, kita ganti cepuk-cepuknya karena burungnya udah banyak, maka kita ganti. Terus ini begini nih rada susah dan akan merusak kawan, jadi kita pakai yang biasa dipakai LB ya. Jadi nggak usah ngelepas ininya, tinggal pasang gini aja. Kalau kalian nanya beli di mana, di OBSJ14 ya, gampang pokoknya belinya mah, ya cari di shopee, lazada, setengah promo.
I've been waking up alone. You left me here hours ago. Obsessively check my phone. Do you even know? Pick apart your every word. Push it down like I'm unconcerned. I've been damaged and it shows. Wonder, can you tell? Wait until you finally call my bluff. Counting down the days till you realize I'll never be enough. Made myself a mess again. Keep it all locked up in my head. I know you handle it well, and you know I don't. Does it bother you a bit? Controlling myself, make it fit. I'll still be anxious as hell. Do you even know? I can't really help this shit. I'm so hyped